You want to know the honest truth about how you can command respect from anyone? The truth is that the respect starts from you. There is no argument about this. You need to be able to respect yourself enough to be able to walk away from a situation that is not serving you anymore. You need to respect yourself enough to stop people pleasing. And you need to respect yourself enough to stop chasing. Now, once you can be able to do this, you command respect from left, right, and center. You know, I grew up with this word, or with this saying, that respect is reciprocal, right? If you respect me, I respect you. But no one told me that no matter how much I give respect to someone, if I don't respect myself, I will not get no respect. I will get little or no respect. Nobody told me this. And that's how I keep going with my life, and I think, okay, if I respect people, people will respect me. It doesn't work that way, honey. It doesn't work that way. You need to sit and ask yourself, what are those things that I do that make other people not respect me? And that was the point that I got at a point in my life, at a particular point in my life, because I saw that so much disrespect coming from left, right, and center. And I'm like, okay, what is it that I'm doing that is making people not respect me, give me the respect that I deserve? Then I realized that, number one, I was too accessible. When you were too accessible, you make people to not respect you. When your friends call you and say, hey, let me use my name for example, right? MJ, let's go to this place, let's go to party, let's go for shopping, let's do this, let's do that. And you are a yes person. You are a yes man. Okay, no problem, I'm coming. Even when you know that you have something to do, you shut that thing off to want to go and do that thing. To want to follow your friends to do that thing. Trust me, you reduce your respect. But if you're somebody who is always, even when they call you and you have something to do, even when you don't have something to do, you tell them, you know what? I have something to do. I cannot be able to come. Alright? Trust me when I tell you that people respect you. They'll respect your time and they'll respect your presence, because whenever you show up, they'll always want to be around you. But when you are this person that, you're always available, you're always accessible, right? Trust me, your presence doesn't mean anything. People, they will feel like they can approach you at any time, and they can, do anything, say anything to you, and you will be able to accept it. And the second thing that I started to do is that I started being a mystery. Yes. Mystery. 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 Listen, if you start being a mystery, like stop putting everything out there for people, stop telling people everything, respect will start coming. Like, you see how people respect you, because now they don't know anything about you. Nobody knows anything about you. You only show them what you want to show them, and you just show them a little part, not too much. Believe me when I say that people respect that, because now they are curious. They want to know, okay, what is going on with this person, right? They're so curious, and the moment you drop one, everybody will run. They will want to scatter. They want to see what is it that she did, what is it that she dropped. Believe me, when you become a mystery, people respect you more. And that is one thing that I'm still learning to do, right? Right? Normally, I'm a private person. Okay, I only show people what I want to show them. But now I'm becoming more of a mysterious person. Like, you will never know my next move. You will never know what I'm doing next. I'm somebody that, you know what? If I go out today, if I go out, we have fun and all that, I don't post that day. I wait for 1 week to come or 2 weeks to come before I post it. You'll be thinking, when I post it, you'll be thinking that is the day that thing happened. It happened 2 weeks ago, or it happened 3 weeks ago. Believe me, when I started to do that, I realized that people respect me more when I became a mystery. I think I mentioned two available, right? Now let me buttress more on that. Once, if you want people to respect you, to start commanding that respect, stop being too available. When you're too available, you lose respect. You lose respect. Believe me when I say this. Pop in and pop out once in a while. Pop in and pop out. Disappear and reappear. Don't be someone who is always available. And another thing that I know, this one is like no-brainer. Stop chasing. Stop it. Let's be someone who attracts. Stop chasing. I realized that when I stopped chasing, like the respect I started to get, it was crazy. It was mind-blowing. Believe me when I say this. Stop chasing. Because the truth about when you even stop chasing, apart from the respect you get, you start to attract those people that are meant to be in your life. Right? You start to attract those good things. Okay? The main things are meant to be in your life. And if those main things are like 1 or 2, then you've won. And because those 1 or 2 will be more quality than when you have a bunch of people around you and they are not quality friends and they're all bunch of fake people around you. So stop chasing and start attracting. Believe me when I tell you, when you do all these things that I mentioned, stop being available, stop being too accessible, and be a mystery, and also stop chasing. When you do these 4 things, it's over. It's over. You start to command respect. Like everywhere you go, people will respect you. People will see you with class, dignity. I remember when, I'm going to say this right before I end this video. I remember when I used to date my ex, right? And my ex used to be somebody who, I think the first year of our relationship, he laid his hand on me. And when he laid his hand on me, I thought everything, when we talk this out, everything is going to be okay. We're going to be fine. But I realized that the moment he started, that was how it kept going. It kept going because I thought he was going to change. I thought I was the Holy Spirit. I can change him. But it did not stop. It kept going and kept going and kept going. Till after like almost 5 or 6 years in the relationship, I thought, okay, this is not going to work. Alright? But I wish I was able to man up earlier in the relationship to be able to walk away. Okay? So if you see in a relationship that you are in, whether it's friendship, relationship, platonic, or whatever relationship, people talk to you anyhow, people, maltreat you or say whatever things that you don't like, you don't welcome, respect yourself enough to walk away. Now once you walk away, trust me, they are going to be left dumbfounded. Believe me in this. Alright? Okay. I don't want to talk too much in this video. Alright? I'm going to stop right here. I hope this video makes sense, some type of sense. And I hope you learned. And I hope you start respecting yourself today, right now. If you're someone who doesn't, you need to start doing that right now. Okay? Alright. So, if you like this video, please do not forget to leave this video a thumbs up. And please tell me what you think in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video.